Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another video for you guys. I'm going to be giving you guys another loose twist style using Unclefunkysdaughter products, but this time I'm going to be doing a style called Patewo, which is a style that we normally do in Nigeria. I'm going to be doing like a funkified version of it. So yeah, without further ado, sit tight and let's jump straight into the video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another video for you guys. I have another loose twist style, but I'm going to be doing this one a little bit different. I'm going to be using products from Unclefunkysdaughter, and yeah, if you're not already subscribed, please go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. Turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified for when I upload my videos, and without further ado, sit tight and let's jump straight into the video. So like I said, I'm going to be doing a funkified version of Patewo for this style. Now basically, Patewo is a style that's very common in Nigeria. It's a Nigerian hairstyle worn by girls and women of all ages. It's basically kind of like a mohawk or frohawk, just that we don't shave the sides of our heads. We either braid it or do flat twists, as you guys see in the pictures. So there are different ways you can modify the style to your liking. You can do it on your own hair, or you can even add in extra hair like attachments or kanekalon hair or something like that. So Patewo is a Yoruba word which means clap, and that's basically how this hairstyle got the name, because of how it's done. For a basic Patewo, you part your hair down the middle from front to back, and then you braid the sides or flat twist the sides horizontally to meet in the middle. So basically you're braiding or flat twisting the sides to clap or meet together and clap in the middle. So that's basically how this style got the name. So yeah, for this tutorial I'm going to be doing a funkified version of Patewo using loose twists. So I've gone ahead and parted my hair, and I've done one side of my flat twist, as you guys can see. So for the other side, I'm going to be doing flat twist there as well. And as you can see, I've already parted my hair into three. The middle section is going to be all loose twists, and the sides are going to be flat twists. So for that side, I'm splitting it right in front of my ear, just doing a part like that, as you guys can see, right in front of my ear. So that part is going to have 3 flat twists, and the other side is going to have about 7. So I'm starting my moisturizing. As you can see, I'm spraying some water to my hair, letting it soak in. Next, I'm going to be taking the Unclefunkysdaughter travel kit. I'm going to be using Super Curl to moisturize. You guys know whenever I use Unclefunkysdaughter products, Super Curl, Extra Butter, and Midnight Train are my favorite things to use together to moisturize my hair. So yeah, I'm going to be taking Super Curl, which has a very creamy consistency. It's super moisturizing, and I'm just applying that directly to my hair, massaging it in, using it to detangle and remove shed hair. Next, I'm going to be taking Extra Butter. Now Extra Butter is also in the travel kit as well, but I've finished my Extra Butter in the travel kit, so I'm just using a new jar. This has a slightly thicker consistency than Super Curl, so it's good for applying after you apply Super Curl, because it just seals in all the moisture. It's more like a whipped butter, and it's very, very good for kinky, thick type 4 hair. So after applying my moisturizer, I'm going to start doing my flat twist. Now remember, I split that smaller section by my ear. I split it on the top and the bottom part. So for the bottom back part, I'm going to be doing 7 flat twists there, and for the top half, I'm going to be doing 3. So right now I'm doing the back part that has 7 flat twists. And when I'm flat twisting, I do the base of the flat twist normally. Then when I start doing the body, I go very loose, twist it loosely, then twist the ends firmly. So as you guys can see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 flat twists going to the back. Now I'm going to work on the top half. So for the top half, I'm going to be doing 3 flat twists there. As usual, I spray my water, apply Super Curl, and apply Extra Butter to moisturize. Now I have several previous loose twist tutorials, so I'm going to link all of that down below, and also put it in a playlist so that you guys will see, the in-depth technique on how to loose twist. I've done that in several tutorials over and over again, so I didn't want to do that again in this tutorial so it wouldn't be too repetitive. So I'm just going to leave the videos down below so that you guys can go and watch my previous loose twist tutorials if you want an in-depth tutorial on how to do a loose twist. Basically, I'm just going to explain to you guys what I'm doing. So like I said, you twist the roots firmly, you twist the body loosely, and then you twist the ends firmly. That's how you do a basic loose twist. Right now I'm doing the loose twist with my flat twist. So as you can see, I twist the base firmly, twist the body very loose so that it will have volume, so that the twist will have volume, and then I twist the ends very firmly so that it doesn't unravel. So I'm done doing my third flat twist. So as you can see, I have 3 flat twists going up and 7 to the back. So I went ahead and changed, did my makeup, did all that stuff. Now time to focus on the middle. I've done the rest of the middle at the back. I did simple, regular, single loose twist there, and I'm going to be doing the same thing to the front. So I'm splitting my hair into different sections. I usually take about small to medium size sections. Then I do my loose twist. Like I said, you twist the roots firmly, twist the body loosely, and twist the ends firmly. Like I said, I have previous loose twist tutorials. If you want a really in-depth tutorial on how to do a loose twist, definitely check down below for my previous videos, or wait till the end of this video and they'll pop up on your screen. So I'm just going to finish up doing my loose twist in the middle of my head. Now for a normal Patewo style, you can do the flat twist or braids at the sides. You can extend them up onto the middle of your head. But basically for my version in this video, I kind of did them up to halfway. Then the entire middle was simple, single 2-strand loose twist. So like I said in the beginning of this video, you can modify your Patewo style anyhow you like, so that yeah, it looks nice however you want to do it. So basically this is what it looks like when I'm done twisting. As you can see, I've done my sides. My sides are simple flat twists. Then the entire middle is just simple 2-strand loose twists. I'm just basically showing you guys around so that you guys can see what my hair looks like freshly twisted before I start adding beads. And notice the direction I did my flat twist in. So the back 7 basically slant down and the top 3 curve upwards. I just did it like that because I like this style. You can make all of them go in the same direction if you want. Like I said, there is a lot of room to modify this style however you like. This is just how I like to do it. So now I'm just adding beads to my hair, adding beads and accessories. Add whatever kind of beads you want. You can also add gold cuffs if you like. So yeah, this is basically the final look. You can definitely leave it like this, but the front of my hair was rubbing up on my face too much, so I'm just going to take a bobby pin and pin that side to the back. Yeah, shout out to Unclefunkysdaughter for coming up with the My Culture, My Curls theme. Yeah, and allowing me to do this Patewo hairstyle for you guys, basically showing you one of the styles that's very, very common in Nigeria. All the products I use are from Unclefunkysdaughter. They will all be listed down below. You can definitely find these products at your local CVS. This style lasted me a really, really long time. My hair was very soft and moisturized and it felt really good. I'm actually wore this style for the Burna Boy concert when he came to Chicago a few weeks ago. So yeah, this is a very nice style you can wear to a lot of events. And it's a great protective style. If I could do one style for the rest of my life every day, it would definitely be loose twist. It's my favorite protective style. A lot of versatility. Your ends and your hair are very protected, especially when you use good products to moisturize your hair. And like I always say, protective styling is super important for type 4 hair to help reduce breakage and retain length. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. I think this might be my final loose twist tutorial in a while. I've done a lot of loose twist tutorials previously. I'm going to link all of them down below. You can do so many styles with loose twists. Like I always say, this is one of my favorite protective styles. But yeah, all the products I use are from Unclefunkysdaughter. They will all be listed down below in the description box, so please make sure you check that out with coupon codes, discount codes and all that stuff. The lashes I'm wearing are from Leilano Beauty as usual. The information will also be down below. Yeah, let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. You can subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button down below, or my face on this side. Also, do not forget to watch my other natural hair videos on this side. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.